Hello guys, welcome to Inside Electronics. So in today's episode, let's take a look at the famous Noise Shorts X1 Air Carbon Black Special Edition. In fact, it is a very long name. Wireless in-ear headphones. So this is a new product that is available in Noise website. I got it as a gift from my brother. So let's take a look at how this thing sounds like. So these are the features. So it says the price is around 3000 rupees here, but I think it's around 2000 rupees in the website, and it has a capacity of 110 milliamp hour, charging time 2 hours, playback time 7 hours, Bluetooth version is 5.0, supported profiles, and this thing is IP6X6 water resistant. You can actually wear it in a rain, like in light rain. It can actually completely go through a splash of water, but you are not supposed to immerse it in water. This cannot handle being dipped, like being submerged in water, but this can take a splash of water like light rain. It is okay with that. So inside the box you will get one pair of X1 earbuds itself, charging case, 2 pairs of silicone ear tips, USB charging cable, one USL manual. So these are the things. The color is carbon black. The weight is actually 35 grams. In fact, that is one good thing. The weight is actually 35 grams with the case itself, and each of the individual earbuds weighs just 6.3 grams, which is actually really good. It does not feel that heavy when you're carrying this thing or when you're wearing this thing either. So let's open the box. Before that, let me show you the sides, if it can focus on that. So these are all the sides, back side, front. So let's open this and see what comes inside. So this is the inside of it. Shorts X1. Don't let my size fool you. So this is the actual unit. Let's keep this to the side and see what else comes inside the package. So as mentioned in the description, it comes with replaceable ear tips, to here, one charging cable. Let's move it to the side. Some paperwork, make some noise, some paperwork, and a user manual. Okay, so nothing else in the package. Let's keep this thing here and let's take a look at the actual item itself. So right now, this thing, it weighs very less. In fact, it does not even feel like it's that heavy at all. It's lightweight. It's good for traveling, and this is actually held by magnets. You can see case is actually held close by magnets, so no need to worry about this thing opening on its own. So while opening, you can see 2 earbuds, left and right is marked, and these are actually touch sensitive areas. These areas are touch sensitive. There is a hinge mechanism over there. On the top side is nothing. So to pair it, let me show you how you can pair this one. Let me open my other phone over here, if it can focus. Let's go to the Bluetooth. This is my Xperia Walkman over here. So to pair it, you need to take out both the units simultaneously from the device. So like that. These are the units. This has 4 pins over there for charging and some other purpose, I think. And this also has some pins in here. You guys can see 2 pins over there, and the USB port is over on to this side. So let's scan for the devices. It will say Shorts X1 Air right there. So let's connect to it, and it says connected. Actually, there are some voice commands that are not voice commands, some voice instructions coming from these speakers when you're wearing it, and this feels really nice in hand also. Let me just play some music here. It's not going to be, I cannot actually check it, so I'm just going to play a random music, which you can see it's going over here. And if I tap on this side, you can see the music is actually paused. Tap again, it's playing. Same with this one also. If you tap once, the music will pause. If you tap once again, it will start playing. And you can skip by double tap. You can skip to the next music. Right now I'm just skipping only one music. Let me open it. Let me enable shuffle. Let me enable shuffle over here. So let me change the song, double tap. Next song, again double tap. To previous song, double tap on this one. Again double tap, it will go back to the previous song. So that is how the touch buttons work. If you press and hold this one, the volume actually will increase. Press this one, press and hold, the volume will actually increase or decrease, which the opposite way in fact. So the voice quality is really good. This has in fact really good bass also when you are putting the proper earbuds, and that is one thing you have to be careful. See, people are actually complaining that their headphones are not having enough bass. Then one thing to check for is whether you are using the proper earbuds or not. If you are not using the proper sized earbuds, then it will let the sound leak through and you lose the bass. Also, you will start hearing other background noises and other things also. So always use the proper silicone ear caps that suits your ear for better sound experience. And now let's go through the website, Noise website, and see what they have to tell, what they has to tell about these devices. So guys, this is the website, official website of Noise, gonoise.com, as you can see here. So this is our product, Shorts X1 Air, truly wireless earbuds. So right now the price is only 2000 rupees and you'll get extra 200 off if you use this code, and it says sold out over here. And the one thing about this thing is that it mentions right over here, it's the smallest ever wireless headphones with no battery inside. The charging case is our lightest ever. That means this charging case does not contain any batteries. So the USB might be directly connected to the earbuds itself. And they're claiming 7 hours of playback over here, Bluetooth 5, the power of touch, no sweat, IPX6 water resistance. And it mentions here it is immune to sweat and even a little rain. They're not saying you cannot wear it in the rain, it just says it can go through a little bit of rain. So, and these are all the specs: stereo earbud calling support, up to 7 hours of playback time, 10 meters of range, 35 grams IP. So yeah, the same things. We have 1 year limited warranty. These are the same things which we have already seen in the case. So let's move on back to the review. So as you guys have just seen, what makes it so lighter is the fact that this case does not have any batteries inside it. So they are claiming that the batteries are directly in here, 110 mAh batteries, and they are capable of giving up to 7 hours of playback time without even having a charging case. So here is how you can charge the device. Just connect it to your regular phone charger. I'm using a normal 5V 2A charger here. You can use any phone chargers of your choice. It has to be micro USB. And while plugging it, there is no indication outside. Let me just turn off the light and show you guys this one. There are no indications outside the unit anywhere to tell you that it's being charged. But if you open the device, you can see 2 small LED lights, one over here, to show the charging status of both the earbuds. So you can see one over here. Each indicates the charging status of the corresponding earbuds. So let's wait for some time and Let's see what happens when these are fully charged. What will be the status? And now the noise is actually fully charged, and you can see two red LED has turned on. So the blue has now changed to red, indicating that these are now fully charged. So this is what happens when the device is fully charged using the unit. So yep, that's it. That is a quick review video about the Shorts X1 Air limited edition. It says limited edition, special edition. Yeah, it's special edition in-ear headphones. Now thanks for watching. See you in another video.